How to open LinkedIn account in mobile. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll walk you through the steps on how can you open LinkedIn account in mobile. To do it, so you have to follow the steps. First thing, head over to your respective app store. On the search box you want to type in LinkedIn and install the application. Once it is completely installed, click on the open button. Now then you'll be taken to this page. Now due to some security concern, the interface won't appear, so I'll be using a browser version. So I have to type in linkedin.com. Taken to this page, click on the first link that appears. So you could go with the first link that appears, and here the interface will look something like this. So you could either go ahead and continue, then you want to click on join now at the bottom. Here you'll be able to see whether you want to go with email or maybe continue with your Gmail or Google account. I'll be going with the email itself, so I'm going to manually type in my information, create a password and click on continue. And afterwards you'll be asked to type in your first name and then your last name. Click on agree and join. Afterwards you'll have to go through this security verification. So click on start a puzzle, select the correct way up, and this is gonna complete it. So moving on to the next field, you have to go ahead and start uploading your profile or start creating a profile. For that you have to go ahead and upload your CV, all that sort of things. And once you've actually done it, so you'll have successfully created your account. And you could also go ahead and explore other options available in the LinkedIn, and that is the simplest way you could go ahead and open LinkedIn account in mobile. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.